Welcome to the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification from zero to hero. If you're new to technology or cloud computing, this course is designed just for you. It's more than just preparation for the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. It's a foundation for understanding modern IT and the transformative role of the cloud in today's digital world. The way businesses operate has changed dramatically. Traditional IT systems, once limited by physical servers and manual processes, have given way to the agility and scalability of cloud computing. Companies now rely on platforms like AWS to power everything from simple websites to advanced artificial intelligence solutions. This course doesn't just teach you about AWS. It equips you with the tools and knowledge to understand modern IT environments, where cloud computing is at the heart of innovation, and with artificial intelligence playing an increasingly significant role in shaping the future. We've included insights into AWS services like Amazon SageMaker, Rekognition, and Comprehend. These tools help organizations build smarter, more efficient systems, whether it's predicting trends, automating tasks, or analyzing data. Throughout this journey, you'll explore key concepts like networking, storage, and security. You'll also gain hands-on experience with serverless computing, which is revolutionizing how applications are built. Plus, we'll guide you through the practical applications of cloud technologies in real-world scenarios, ensuring you're ready to take your knowledge from the classroom to the workplace. This isn't just a course, it's a step into the future of IT and technology. By the end, you'll not only have the confidence to earn your AWS Cloud Practitioner certification, but also acquire the foundational understanding to discuss and leverage modern IT and AI technologies in your career. Whether you're looking to start fresh in the tech industry, advance your career, or simply expand your knowledge, this course has something for everyone. The possibilities are endless, and we're excited to be part of your journey. Let's get started and explore how the cloud and you can shape the future.